Let me hook you up. So in 2018, I had the big chop because my hair was dead from all the relaxer I was using. And this is it 2.5 years later. Sorry for the weird screenshot, I couldn't find like an actual picture of it recently. So I'll start off with the things that you already know I'm gonna say. I haven't used heat on it since I got it chopped off, like apart from the occasional blow dry. But I don't straighten it, I only ever get it blow dried if my hairdresser needs to before I get a style installed. These are a godsend, I found they really help with my hair growth, but you have to take them like 3 times a day, so I've switched to these ones, which you only take once a day, and these have been pretty good, and they've really helped my skin. Protective styles have probably helped me the most in terms of retaining length. I mostly have my hair in braids or faux locks or some sort of crochet do. Try and stick with protective styles that have your hair braided down, so I found that Fulani braids and like hairstyles where my hair is cane road really help me with growth. Biggest tip though, massaging oil into your hair, particularly hot oil. I use argan oil and castor oil. Massage it into your head every single day. It actually genuinely helps to really grow your hair. It grew so quickly when I was doing that.